Welcome to the second part of the End of Financial Year series. Now that we've looked at reviewing your accounts for the past year, let's look at finalising your payroll for the year. There are a few things to look at. These include super contribution payments, employee details, payroll reports, payment summaries, and this year we have the new single touch payroll reporting method.
Firstly, when you have completed all the pays for the financial year and paid the employees, you will still have the superannuation payable for the June quarter.
The June quarter superannuation isn't due until the 28th of July, but if you pay this before the end of June, your business will be able to claim it as a tax deduction. It is recommended to speak to your accountant about this, as it can affect the limits of superannuation for an employee for the year.
Firstly, you need to do a check of employee details. To do this in Reckon 1, there are some key items to check. Under Payroll, go to Employees and then click into the employee name. Once you're in the employee's profile, check if their full name is correct, and then check if their postal address is correct as well. Under the Personal tab, check if their personal details are correct and their payroll email information, such as their email address and the send method. Next, go into the Employment tab to ensure all the employment details are correct as well, and then go to the Tax tab to ensure that you have the correct tax file number. Once you are happy with these basic employee details, you can now move on to reviewing the payroll reports. There are a number of reports that can be beneficial to review before finalising the payroll year. It is recommended to review these reports throughout the year to look out for any errors. To do this on Reckon 1, on the menu, go to Reporting and then Report Centre. Change the categories to Payroll, and there's some key reports to look out for. Some of the key reports are Payroll Summary, Payroll Detail, Super Contributions by Employee, Super Transactions, and Leave Balance and Accrual Value. Before running the payment summaries, just ensure the correct legal contact is listed. To do this in Reckon 1, go to Payroll and then Payroll Setup. Click on the Advanced tab and just ensure that you have the correct legal contact. Alternatively, on the top right, you can go to Administration menu, then Settings. Under Payroll Settings, click into General, and then you can ensure that the correct legal contact is listed. Then you can move on to producing the payment summaries. Producing the payment summaries in Reckon 1 is quite easy. Under Payroll, go to INB Payment Summaries, which stands for Individual Non-Business, then click Add, select the year, and then press Add INB Payment Summary. Once that's finished loading, click onto the payment summary to view the employees, and then you can click onto each employee to review. Once you reviewed the payment summary, you can either email or print to the employee.
Single Touch Payroll is an initiative by the ATO, which changes the way employers report on employee payments, including salary and wages, PAYG withholding, and superannuation.
Under STP, employers will send payroll information to the ATO at the same time as they pay their employees. This will save time and resources for business at the end of financial year. In Reckon 1, you can review your employees by going to the Employees section and working through them one by one. Or you can start by running the Employee Detail Report, which will show you key information for the employees to review. To do this in Reckon 1, go to Reporting, then Report Center, change the category to Payroll, and then generate the employee list. We have created a checklist and guide to help prepare for single touch payroll.